Are you looking for cheap, delicious keto or low carb recipes that you can feed your entire family? Are you looking for encouragement, real entertainment, real engagement with someone going through the same exact thing that you are on your keto journey? Well, you're in the right spot. What's up and welcome to Killin It With Keto. I'm Andrea and I'm a nurse. I recently came across the keto diet and decided to jump on the bandwagon and quickly fell into a love-hate relationship with the keto diet, like a lot of people have. My weight has always been something that I've struggled with. And yes, the keto diet is somewhat hard to deal with. It's not easy to find in restaurants. It's not easy to stay on. It's not easy to go by. But I promise, together we will do this. On my channel, I'm real with you about my struggles, my triumphs, and the recipes I give you are oh so delicious. Now, some of them we pick off the internet to randomly critique, and I promise we'll give you our honest opinion about that. For real. We won't hold back. I try to make sure that all of my recipes are cheap, easy, and kid approved, because I have some of the most pickiest kids in the world when it comes to food. But for real, who has time or the money to make a whole meal for their family and then a whole separate keto meal for themselves? No one. So thank you for stopping by my little corner of the internet. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button and smack that little bell beside it so that you can get my journey and all of these great recipes sent to your inbox every single week. I'm so excited to get healthy with you. Now hit that subscribe button and let's get started on our new journey. Let's do this.